Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love chicken Caesar salad, and I love this salad, the pasta, the chicken, and the secret is the dressing. Dave's super secret dressing. And I should mention too, it's healthy, it's light, it's nutritious, and your entire family and friends are gonna love it. And I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let's get going. So what I've got is a cup of rotini noodles, and you can use any noodle you want. And I'm just going to boil these up according to package instructions. Once the pasta is done, I'm going to drain it and set it aside. Okay guys, next up let's make our dressing. And don't look, I'm dressing. And I'm going to start with half a cup of mayo, and you can use a mayo of your choice. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cloves or a teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, the juice of half a lemon, and I'm using a squeezer here, but you can just squeeze it by hand. Lastly, salt and pepper to taste. Then I'm going to grab my whisk and mix this up until everything is wonderfully combined. This smells so good, guys. Okay, now let's build our salad, starting with the romaine lettuce, and I've just cut this in bite-sized chunks. A few cherry tomatoes, and I've had these kicking around in the fridge. Totally optional, but just add some nice red color. Next, our pasta. Our chicken, you can use rotisserie, you know, whatever you got kicking around, but this is some pre-cooked stuff that I've got. Then of course our dressing. Smells so good. And last but not least, about half a cup of croutons. Then I'm just gonna give this a toss until everything is well combined and mixed up just like me. This looks and smells incredibly good. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up. This looks and smells so good. And there you have it, guys, our chicken Caesar salad. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. Grab up some chicken, some pasta, some salad. This is just incredible, guys. I just love it, and the dressing is fantastic. You gotta make this for sure. You're gonna love it. I just love it. I'm gonna eat more. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.